family used to make me... That was not even intentional. My family used to make me burp in public places because they loved the looks that people gave them when they looked over and like looked at my brothers or like my uncle or like a big man and were like, ew, that's so fucking gross. And they heard me as I make eye contact with them, and then they were like, this has been happening since I was like 5 or 6.
So my TikTok doesn't get deleted again.
That would be really fucking annoying, wouldn't it?
Anyways, spread my new account, please.
That is the I hate my fucking job burp. Wow.
Jesus